Hi, my name is Alex CARLUCCI with Gustan Cho Associates. I want to talk to you about underwriters and what are they really doing. And I don't know if I can really tell you myself. I don't know what they do, but I'll give you my best guess. So what they do is they gather all the information that I've asked from you, your W-2s, your pay stubs, your bank statements, your ID, and they put it in a spreadsheet and they calculate income in a very different way than maybe I would or you would. And once they have that final income, they look at your debts and they comb through that credit report and they look for everything. They're looking for all sorts of little details and all these rules that apply to each type of debt. And then they input the debts. Then they order the tax bill from the counties. They don't just use what Zillow has or whatever. And then they get your insurance policy. Then they get the rates locked. And then they see the exact payment. They look at all your exact debts. They divide it by your income that they come up with. And if you still get an approved eligible, then they'll close the loan. So that's one of the aspects they do. Another thing they're doing while they're doing all that is doing background checks. They're pulling up anything in the public records like a tax lien or old tax debt or judgments or foreclosures or bankruptcy that we can't see in your credit report, and they'll address that. Hey, what's this? You got a foreclosure last year. Tell us about that. It may not be yours. You might have. Your name might be John Smith, and it's a different John Smith. We got to explain that. So that's another thing they're doing to underwrite your file. They're really looking at your assets. They're making sure that money is your money, or it came from a gift source, or it's no cash deposits. They're looking for all sorts of things on the money. So they're analyzing your money. They're analyzing your job. They're looking at your background check. They're looking at the appraisal to make sure that the asset that you're buying is worth what it said, and there's no repairs needed on that. So they're looking at that. They're making sure the insurance has the right coverage. They're looking at everything. So they don't miss anything. It's CSI kind of stuff. I don't know why these people aren't FBI agents, because they're pretty good at finding things. So keep in mind that they're terrorizing your file. Tell your loan officer everything. That the loan officer is your person of point to talk to about things that might be a problem. Maybe you can fix before the underwriter sees it. Maybe you can clean up your act, before an underwriter opens your book. Change the ending of the story in your book. Tell us. We'll help you through that. So give us a call if you got any questions about underwriting and how it works. 630-915-7550. Thanks.